Good morning. So today I'm going to be carving some pumpkins. Again, this is the first time for me. All these things I do are pretty much the first time, but my wife, had a conversation with me. She said, we're coming towards Halloween. I hate buying pumpkins because they're expensive and then they just rot away and then you got to figure out something to do with them, compost them or whatever. So she asked me to carve some pumpkins. And I'm like, that sounds pretty easy, a good idea, so I'm going to give it a shot. I'm just going to carve as many of these things as I can. It's got to be pretty easy. It's just a ball with a stalk, so we'll see how this goes. Let's rock.